Two charge spheres are separated by a distance d, exert a force F on each other. If the charges are double and the distance between them is double, then the force is F. The minimum amount of charge observed so far is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Dielectric constant for a male is infinite. The capacitance of a parallel capacitor depends upon area of the plate. In a Wheatstone bridge, if the battery and galvanometer are interchanged, the deflection in galvanometer will not change. Two copper wires of length L and 12 have radii R and 2R respectively. The ratio of their specific resistance is 1:2. Two long parallel wires each carrying a current of ampere in the same direction, a place 1 meter apart. The force of attraction between them is 2 into 10 to the 10 power minus 7 Newton per meter. The relation between magnetic field dipole and torque is vector torque is equal to m vector dot b vector. The magnetic lines of force inside a bar magnet are from S pole to N pole of the magnet. The direction of induced current is determined by Fleming's right hand rule. Weber per meter square is the unit of magnetic flux density. Energy dissipated in LCR circuit is in R only. The peak value of alternating current is I naught. Its root means square value will be I naught by under root 2. Is used for photography in fog, infrared. The energy is in electromagnetic wave is equally divided between electric and magnetic field. A virtual image larger than the object is found in concave mirror. With increase in wavelength, the value of refractive index decreases. The concept of secondary wavelength was given by Huygens. Young's double slit experiment uses a monochromatic source of light. The shape of the interference regions formed on the screen is straight line. Energy of photon is h nu. The ratio of the de Broglie wavelength associated with two electrons accelerated through 25 volt and 36 volt is 6/5. The force which causes scattering of alpha particles in the Rutherford alpha particle scattering experiment is Coulomb force. If a radioactive atom emits a beta particle, then its atomic mass remains unchanged. In p-type semiconductor, what kind of impurity is found? Valency of 3. The width of forbidden band is maximum for non-conductor. अगर आपको किसी नहीं हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड सपोर्ट कीजिए. थैंक यू, बाय.